Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to lock your profile. By the way, you are doing this step in order to make your profile private so that your posts and photos will be only available to your Facebook friends. So in order to do that, you just need to click the right side button of or the right side portion of your Facebook account. So here, click that. And then after that, kindly scroll down and then click settings and privacy, and then kindly click settings. After that, kindly scroll down and kindly go to the audience and visibility tools. Under that, kindly click profile locking. So base here, if you lock your profile, only friends will see the photos, posts, and stories on your profile. And only friends will see your full resolution profile as well. However, your name is still available for search, and other people may also send you friend requests as well. So kindly click lock your profile if you are already decided to make your profile private, and then click that. And then once done, as you can see here in your profile, your you lock your profile already. So meaning to say it's already private.